Hello! Thank you for coming back for more. Yesterday, Gary made his way from Stirling all the way back into England. So let me give him a call and see what he's been doing. Hi Gary! It looks wet. Hang on, are you wearing the same shirt from yesterday?
Yeah, hello, good morning. Yes, I am wearing the same shirt. Trying to get 2 days out of everything. Saves on the washing. Wearing pants inside out. No, not really. Okay, well, it's been an absolutely horrible night. It's rained most of the night. So I'm having to do this under a tree where I've got Sparky and a soggy tent behind me. Let's have a think what happened. Yeah, I'm going to head down to Middlesbrough today. I've got a leak in one of my waterproof Reacher boots, so they're going back. I'm not very happy with that. Got soggy foot yesterday, or day before yesterday, and I'm going to have another one today. I can feel it coming on. Right. Yesterday I rode over to Falkirk from Stirling, where I was staying. There's a bit of a language barrier. Falkirk, in my mind, is like Newcastle. People are lovely. I'm sure the nightlife's fantastic, just like Newcastle. But I can't understand a word they're saying. It's such a strong accent. I really can't understand them. Anywhere else in Scotland, no problem. But no, I really struggle with the Falkirkians. Sorry, chaps. You've got a very strong accent. What happened after that? I went to see the Falkirk Wheel. I wasn't doing anything when I got there, but very impressive bit of machinery. It moves boats from the upper level to the lower level in a sort of a constant, in like a rotation. I'll probably find a bit of video of it somewhere to show you. What else has happened? You went over to the Kelpies, which is virtually the same area. The Kelpies are impressive. If you've never been, go. Phenomenal. And they're so huge. They look like little sort of, I don't know, 20-30 metres tall, but they've got to be 5 times that size. They're actually massive. What else did I do? I rode pretty much down the middle of Scotland yesterday, down to Lockerbie, from sort of Glasgow, well, yeah, that sort of area, which is where Falkirk is. So down to the middle of Scotland, I got to Lockerbie. There's a memorial garden there from the plane crash. I say plane crash, it was a bomb. It was terrorists. In 1988, terrorists decided to blow up Pan Am aeroplane. Killed everybody on board, a lot of people on the ground, and yeah, it's rather nasty. But I did a little walk around the garden there. It's so beautiful, so peaceful. I think if it wasn't for the A74M that runs right by it, you could really get into your thoughts there. But have a look around, see what you think of it from my video. What's next? I said this morning I'm going to Middlesbrough in the rain, but first I have to pack that green thing over there into that orange thing there, and head off that way. Campsite I'm in today is different to the one I planned on staying in. When I planned on staying in, I arrived and it was blowing such a gale. I decided that me and my tent may not be there by the morning, so I moved on and came here. It's in a bit of a valley, but we're sort of entering a valley, and it's very peaceful. Staff are fantastic, and has everything I need, apart from I really need a mains plug because my laptop's running out of power. In fact, it's just run out of power. Before this phone runs out of power as well, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for calling, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Have a good day.
Yes! Chat tomorrow. Okay, on to the map. Let's see where he went. Starting near the Wallace and Gromit monument, he went over to Falkirk, then south on to Lockerbie, then on into England. That looks like a long ride. Let's hope it isn't too wet. I hope you enjoyed the videos Gary took that I have edited for you. Please leave your comments below and let me know your thoughts.
My first stop today is the Falkirk Wheel. Work began in 1999 when the Secretary of State for Scotland cut the first sod of turf, and it was officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II on the 22nd of May 2002 as part of her Jubilee celebrations. The wheel has an overall diameter of 35 metres and consists of two opposing arms extending 15 metres from the centre axle. Each caisson or gondola carries a total of 500 tonnes of water and a boat. The water is adjusted with each new boat that enters due to the Archimedes principle of a floating object displacing its own weight in water. I will ask Dana to find a video of it rotating for you. My next stop is the Kelpies. According to Scottish folklore, a Kelpie is a shape-shifting water spirit, often depicted as a powerful and malicious horse. They were designed by Scottish sculptor Andy Scott. Standing at 30 metres high and weighing 300 tonnes each, they are made from steel, then galvanised. Construction began in June 2013 and was completed by October that year. A topping off ceremony was held on the 27th of November 2013.
Do you want to get, it's £1.50 for the motorbikes. If you want to park there and then come back, get yourself sorted.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I am now off to Bike Speed UK. They are a zero dealer and I really need someone who can plug my bike in and tell me what is wrong with the charging system. Well, it turns out their zero engineer doesn't work on Mondays, but we did discover my single phase charger isn't working, but I still don't know why, yet. Now I have a 70-mile ride down to Lockerbie. I'll see you there. On the night of the 21st of December 1988, a bomb destroyed Pan Am Flight 103 from Frankfurt to Detroit. A large section of the plane landed on this residential street here in Lockerbie. All 243 passengers were killed, along with the 16 crew and 11 Lockerbie residents. This garden has been set aside as a memorial and a place for thought. I will be back in England very soon. I will miss Scotland. It is a beautiful country with lovely people. However, I will not miss Charge Place Scotland. They came close to ruining my time here, but it will take a bigger criminal than them to stop me from visiting a country.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to show us your love, comment below and subscribe with notifications on. If you wish to email me, I'll leave my address in the description below. You know you liked it, so tell your friends and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff.